Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Canon PIXMA TS8322 printer on your Windows, macOS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser. Doesn't really matter which one, but you want to search for Canon PIXMA TS8322 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should say Canon support for PIXMA TS8322. Go ahead and open that up. And then you can just scroll down here underneath downloads and expand the software and driver section. And then select the TS8300 series driver setup package and the download button. And then once it's done downloading, go ahead and open that up to run it. Should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes. And then if you just want to close out of there, you don't have to keep the browser open at this point. Select Start Setup and then select Next and then allow it to begin downloading and installing the latest driver and software package here. You want to accept the end user license agreement and then accept the terms. Make sure the printer is powered up and you can select your connection method here, and then you should hopefully be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.